Hello, what is up guys? Welcome back to this channel once again. So this is the first time I'm giving the voiceover on my YouTube channel. Please try to adjust with this, as if any wrong thing I spell out, please try to adjust with this. So today I'm trying to draw the portrait of the great legend Lata Mangeshkar ji. I think no introduction is needed about her, as in all over the India and also in the world, every single person loves to hear her. So let's talk about the drawing part. So as you can see, I started with the shading part of the hair, and I gave a coating of 2H pencil at the beginning, and then I gave the coating of H pencil, and gradually I tried to increase the darkness and the grade of the pencil, so that the realism and the darkness of the hair comes through the portrait. And I will give the link of the reference image in my description. You can check this out. I am not going to use the 6B pencil or the 6B shading right now. After the completion of the whole portrait, then I will give the shading of 6B pencil and then 10B pencil. And right now I am going to set the facial parts and facial structures. I am giving the shades on the dark areas and also in the light areas, but I try to give some space on the most highlighted parts, like on the top of the nose, on the eyeballs, and also on the forehead, cheeks, etc, etc. And now I am gonna to use in the same process, like till now I used the 2H pencil shading. Now I am gonna to use the H pencil shading. Then I will use the HB pencil, and gradually then I will increase the gradings of the pencil, so that the dark value and the light value highlighted well. If you watch the reference photo carefully, I will try to attach them in the video at the editing time. So what I am saying, that if you watch it carefully, whichever part of the face is most darkest, I am giving a little bit pressure on the pencil and give the darkest value with that grade of the pencil. Like now I am using the H grade of the pencil, so I try to give the dark value with this pencil only. And also in those places where there are not that much darkness, but there is some darkness, like some light or some dark in the medium stage, there I not giving any type of pressure on the pencil and just smoothly rub it on the page, so that a natural flow comes out from the pencil and something like that. And hope what I am trying to say you understood. Also you can see now I am using the tissue paper. I'm just trying to smudge the pencil gradients carefully, but I am not covering the highlighted parts, just where the dark values are there in the reference photo. So this is most important to see or watch the reference photo very carefully, where the dark values are there and where the highlighted parts are there. It is very necessary to watch the reference photo carefully if you want to draw a portrait in a better way, as the main motto of the portrait drawing is to reflect the 3D face in this 2D page. As you can if you understood the 3D and 2D concept, that is, the page has only 2 dimensions and our face has 3 dimensions, and to opt the proper 3 dimension, we have to give the face the proper proportion and also the proper shading. And shading depends on highlight parts and the shading parts. So if you give the proper shading, then the 3D face brings out on the 2D page. As you can understand that this is my first voiceover on the YouTube channel, so I am a little bit nervous. So if there are any complexity to understand anything I tell here or say here, you can comment down that in the comment box, or otherwise I also have an Instagram page. You can also DM me. I shall surely try to make you understood the concept clearly. There is nothing more to say on this video, as what is the main motto or the main concept behind this portrait drawing, I try to clear you up here, and the remaining part of the video is a little time lapse that I made. So I have nothing to say more, but I have a little request for you guys. If you are watching the video till now, please give it a big thumbs up. That gives me motivation to make more such videos on this YouTube channel. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any notification if any new video is being uploaded. The part 2 will be uploaded soon. So thanks a lot for watching this video, and now please try to watch the time lapse.